I was talking to a client this week and they got into a situation which I thought would be helpful to share with the rest of you, and it's about something that can get into quite a lot of trouble if you don't pay attention to it. So what had happened is they followed the rules and paid dividends gross, which means taking enough to skim off the self-assessment tax that they're going to have to pay, and they've done that month to month to month, and then when you get to the year end, then there hasn't been enough profit in the company for the level of dividends taken. And the problem with that means that you get into the situation where the money taken causes an overdrawn director's loan account. The impact of that is HMRC will tax you on an overdrawn director's loan account. So at the minute today, the HMRC will tax you 33.75% on that balance if you don't repay it or sort it out with some further dividends the next year. Then it goes up to 35.75 in a few days, which is obviously getting really expensive. It's called S455 tax and it gets added onto your corporation tax, but that means it can hit your cash flow quite a bit. So it's good to get out of that situation if you can. To avoid getting into this situation, what you can do instead is you can take a look at your profit and loss account each month or each quarter, depending on how into the detail you want to get. But say you did it on a quarterly basis, go to your reports in your bookkeeping system. Once you've reconciled your data and you've got like your baseline of what's happening in terms of like ingoings and outgoings, and then from there go to the bottom. Some systems will take the tax off, some won't. So if the system has took the tax off, then make sure your quarterly profit is enough for the dividends that you've taken. If your corporation tax hasn't been applied, then take 80% of that figure and check the same thing, that you've got enough profit for the dividends that you've taken. Drop me a comment and let me know what your Q&A is for next week, and I'll do a video where I'll break down accounting terminology or things that you small business owners need to know.